wonder what specific frequency is associated with the different speech sounds in the English language? Using a microphone-triggered spectral frequency analyzer, one can see the exact frequency range is associated for a given sound. This is of particular interest for those with hearing loss in certain frequency ranges and can explain why it may be difficult for such individuals to clearly understand what is being said. Let's go to the alphabet pronunciations. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, U, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. As you can see, the vowels tend to be low-frequency sounds, whereas the consonants tend to be in the high-frequency range. So if a person has high-frequency hearing loss, consonant sounds may be missed, such that distinguishing between the words bat and cat may be difficult. Let's specifically listen to the vowels versus certain consonants. A, E, I, O, U, S.